Hi guys, just wanted to let you in on a little secret, and that is that Thousand Trails has their biggest sale of the year going on right now, and you can get huge discounts on just the basic plans, the elite plans, whatever it is that might suit you. So if you've been thinking about buying a Thousand Trails membership, I highly recommend you go check it out right now before August 10th. That's when it ends. And as you know, with Thousand Trails, that over 24 months of camping, not all Thousand Trails, but we would have paid out, got the numbers right here, $29,377 if we had to pay out of pocket. A few we did because they weren't all Thousand Trails, but we ended up paying out of our pocket $5,847 plus the membership. But $24,000 savings in 2 years, that's pretty good. So especially if you're full-time, but even if you're not full-time, you're just a weekend warrior, want to go here and there now and then, you can still save a ton of money with Thousand Trails. Highly recommend that you contact Jim and Brandy Reneau and ask them what the deals are all about. Let them know that Watts on Wheels sent you. Great people. They'll answer your questions. No pressure. Check them out. I'll put the information below.